AI video almost always has a slightly off juddery quality, and the obvious fix, smoothing it out, usually makes it worse. Here is why and how to actually fix it. Here is a raw AI clip. Watch the movement. It is not quite smooth, it stutters just a little in a way real video does not. The first reason, AI video models render at about 24 frames a second. The smooth video on your phone is 30 or 60. Fewer frames means the motion reads as slightly juddery. So the obvious move is to interpolate. Use software to invent extra in between frames and push it up to 60. On real footage, that works beautifully. On AI video, it often makes things worse. Here is why. Interpolation guesses what sits between two frames, but AI frames already contain warping and impossible detail, so the guess smears. You get melting edges and ghosting. Real video has consistent physical motion between frames, so guessing the middle is easy. AI frames do not. Objects subtly change shape frame to frame, so the invented middle frame is nonsense. So the fix is: 1. Use a motion-aware interpolator built for this, like RIFE, not a generic filter. 2. Generate at a higher native frame rate if the model supports it. 3. Keep the motion gentle. Less movement means fewer artifacts to smear. To spot it, choppy, stuttery motion, or a smeared, ghosting look around the moving edges. That is AI video either not smoothed or smoothed badly.